Good morning. It's 11 o'clock on Wednesday, and this is the 22nd of January. And I am going to share with you this morning. Hi, thanks, Rebecca. Thanks for joining. I'm going to share with you one of the Sale-A-Bration items. And I'll show you this. This is the Sale-A-Bration catalog. And this is called Friendly Seagulls. And it's right here. And it's free with a $60 order during Sale-A-Bration. So I thought it would be fun to share some cute cards. It's such a darling little set. And I thought I would share Hi, Lori. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for commenting. If anybody else is here, please comment, make a comment so I know you're here. And we will, and for those that share, I will send this card out to someone who shares. So just hit the share button. You don't have to say anything, but other people might see it and want to join in the future. So if you're here, just leave a comment. So I'm going to get started because I know everybody is busy. So we're gonna do this card this morning, and I just think it's so cute. And I see I've somehow misplaced my seagulls flying. I'm going to run and see if I can find it. That's great. Be right back. I found it. I had dropped some stuff on the floor. Hi, Yvonne. Thanks for joining. I hope Diane makes it. This is the card we're going to be doing this morning. Sorry about the shadows. The lights in this room tend to be a little hard to keep the shadows out. So we're going to get started because I know everybody is busy. And I'll show you the measurements first. We'll start with the basic white thick cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then we're going to be using the Shades and Hues Designer Series paper, 5 1/4 by 4. And then a piece of Crumb Cake cardstock. Thank you, Yvonne. That's 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. And a piece of basic white cardstock, 3 by 3. This is the Shades and Hues Designer Series paper. This is one of the special they brought out recently. I don't know if you remember, they had this actual paper before, but they changed the colors. So we've got Fresh Freesia, and there's 8 sheets with different designs, 4 of each, and Pool Party, and Petal Pink, and Misty Moonlight. So these are some fun new colors to work with. And so we will get started. So the first thing we're going to do is have the cardstock. This is the cardstock, and then I'm going to add the Shades and Hues piece to the front. And guess what I forgot? Adhesive. My brain isn't working. Not enough coffee. I'm back. One of the reasons I forgot it is because I'm going to be using dimensionals on the other part, and I thought, oh, I don't need that, but I do. So we're going to add this here to the front of the card. Hi, Cherie. Oh, I'm so happy to see you here. This is the card we're making, Cherie. Maybe you saw it, but anyway. So we're gonna start with the basic white, and we'll do the stamping on the basic white. We'll start with the bottom. So this part right here will be the sand, and there's some little spots, and I'm gonna stamp those. So I'm just going to stamp along the bottom with the kind of pebbly looking, sandy looking, I'm using Crumb Cake. And then I'm gonna turn it over and fill in kind of between those bottom ones. And then I'm going to take a blending brush. Now I'm using a blending brush that has green on it, but it won't show because it's dry and it'll be fine. So I'm going to ink up my blending brush, and I'm going to just kind of rub it off just a little bit to start it, and then just add a little bit of ink over that so that it looks like the sand. So really simple and easy. And the nice thing about blending brushes is you can use any color on them. So that is done. Now we're going to stamp in memento ink, black memento ink. We're going to stamp the two seagulls. There's 3 seagulls, and I'll show you later more of them. So I'm going to stamp him right about here. Aren't they just darling? They're so cute. I had fun making cards yesterday using these seagulls. For the seagulls, I'm going to color in the wings a little bit, and I'm going to use gray granite, light gray granite. And I just want to color the kind of the outside of the wings, just so they have a little color and aren't just stark. And then I'll use Daffodil Delight, and I'll add some Daffodil Delight to the beak and the feet. And maybe I'll do these. I didn't on the other one, but I think I'll add this here and maybe go over it a couple of times to make it a little bit darker. And so now he needs some on his wings. I love the blends. Oh, they make me feel like I'm an artist, which I'm not. But they're so fun to work with and so easy to use. I find I use the pointed end rather than the brush end more because I have more control. So that's for them. And then Daffodil Delight, and I'm going to do the feet. Whoops. I can take my color lifter and lift that off later. You never know. You can stick within the lines, or sometimes you don't. And then he's got a couple of French fries in his mouth. I think that's so cute. And then we're going to put I love you more than French fries. And you know, these guys are something else. So now there's that. And then I already, we need to do the Hey Friend. So Hey Friend, and we're going to use the black memento. And I'm going to put that right up here. Nice and black. I love that. And then I already fussy cut and the French fry bag, French fries. So I'm gonna put those there. I already did this to save time because I don't want to keep you very long. So we've got 2 little French fry bags, And I'm going to put, I put one with a little dimensional. I cut one in quarter, and I put one here, and then I'm going to put one down here. Isn't that cute? So, thank you, Cherie. I just think this set is just absolutely darling, and it's, you get it free with a $60 order during Celebration, which is January and February. And I'm going to add the goals to the Crumb Cake, and then I'm going to use Stampin' Dimensionals and put it on the front of the card with Stampin' Dimensionals. It's amazing what a little bit of dimensional does to a card. It's just not flat. Did Diane not make it? Oh, she can watch the replay. Oh, we need to stamp the flying seagulls. So I'm going to do that. I thought this paper looked kind of oceany. So I'm going to, oops, almost did it upside down. I'm going to add some flying seagulls up here. Let's see. Maybe put that right there. Yeah, that's good. That's enough. And then we will put down the seagulls. Kind of do that in the middle. And then I have, I love you more than French fries. I think that's just so cute. There's also one that says, I love you more than chips. And I think that's for our European and maybe Canadian, because they call French fries chips. But it could be chips too, our kind of chips. So I'm gonna stick that right there. And that's our card. Let's see, what did I do on the inside? I don't think I did it. No, I didn't do anything. So anyway, that's our card. Isn't that just, it's really, really quick and easy. I did cut this out by hand. I used Poppy Parade and a little bit of Crumb Cake for the hamburger, and then Daffodil Delight for the French fries. So I'll have all that information below. And of course I had to make some more. You know how that goes. Well, you can do it next month, Yvonne. It'll still be around, I'm sure. If not, just let me know. Okay, so here's the extra cards that I made. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. So this card, this is using the, now I can't think of the name of it. Yeah, Rebecca. This is the what are they? The lobster, I think the lobsters, and the crab paper that's in the mini catalog. I've forgotten the name of it. Ocean Friends, I think it's called. Ocean something. Anyway, I made this really cute little card. And here's another one. This is all three of the one with the French fries, the one that's got his mouth open, and then the one that's looking back. And I used some of the antique pearls. These are low profile, and I love those pearls, and you can color them any color you want. And this is the bouquet paper that's in the mini catalog. I used that. And on this one, I used the Country Woods paper. And I have three of the, oh, don't look. I did these guys upside down, but nobody will ever notice, right? Oh boy. And then this one I think is so cute. This is the Country Woods paper as well. And he's saying, chips, chips, chips. I love you more than chips. Friends of the Ocean. Thank you, Rebecca. I knew I should have said that. And then here's another guy. I have a picture taken in Ireland of a seagull on top of a post. I'm gonna have to use that when I do my paper Thank you, Yvonne. These are really, really cute. So anyway, I used the blending brush, and I just did a little bit of blending in the corner, and then I used the Country Woods, and he's standing on top of that. So anyway, that's the cards that I have today, and I hope you enjoyed them. And again, if you place a $60 order, you can get this set free, and it's fun and really quite interesting. So so thank you, Yvonne. I had so much fun yesterday. I could have kept going, but I got tired and had to go to bed. So here are the cards that I made, and I hope you enjoy them. I will share these on my blog. And if you haven't been to my blog, it is Jan's Stamping Creations, all one word, .com. And I will have all of these cards over the next few days on my blog, so you can see them and get all the measurements and all of the products that I use. So I hope you all have a great day. And if you share this, one person will receive this card. Thank you very much.